6 minus 6 equals 0. 6 minus 6 equals 0. 0 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present. We also have a multiplication operator present. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction, so we must solve this multiplication first. 6 times 6, that gives us 36, and our expression now simplifies to 6 minus 36 minus 6. And now if you notice, we have two subtraction operators present in this expression. According to the rules, we just need to work from left to right. So 6 minus 36, that gives us minus 30. And we have minus 6 from the original expression. And finally, minus 30 minus 6, that gives us minus 36, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.